Hey everyone, and welcome on this new video where we're testing the fridge of Bosch the KGN34. Generally speaking, we're quite satisfied with it. We bought it at MediaMarkt here in Germany for 549 euros, and you will see now a short presentation in video, and after that I will come back to you with the pros and cons. So I hope you got to see what this fridge looked like. For us, really honestly, it's the pros are the great finishing and this very big veggie and fruit compartment. As you can see it, this is really important for us, and this door alarm, since we have a kid, is also very important for us. The inconvenience, of course, as you can see, for bottle is not that great, and it's a little bit loud more than we thought, but anyhow, it's still a very good product. We're really satisfied with it, so we can really recommend it. So basically, it's really great value for your money. So hope you like this video, hope you like watching. This is the first of a long series, of a long life of this channel. We're a young family, as a young dad and stay-at-home entrepreneur dad. I'm gonna try to give a lot of advice, a lot of tips to help all the families out there. So thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and give me tons of likes. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day. See you soon.